This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for October 9th, 2017. Nothing much going on in the last 2 days in the market. We do expect this to be a rollover, possible consolidation range right here. So while we are long-term bullish on the market, we aren't going to be adding in too many positions right now. We're just going to wait for the market to set up, to take a rest. We have this arrow here just to mark our general prediction of what we expect to happen. Next, we have the market XLE. We had what appears to be a bottom around this area. We do have an overextended bullish run here, so we do expect to see some rollover, possibly a retest here before energy could continue up, but we don't expect it to go much further than this at this point right now. We had two stop outs. One was NVCR. We stopped out on Friday of last week. We stopped out on this red candle right here. We had gotten in on the 11th, which would have been this red candle, on expectation that this resistance here will break and will continue through. However, it failed to break out. We still have some confidence in this trade, so we're just going to keep our eye on it and watch it over the next couple of days, couple of weeks. And if we see another good entry, we might re-enter this trade in the future. The other trade we stopped out on, by the way, NVCR, we took a 10% loss on NVCR. The other stop out was URG, also a 10% loss. Stopped out today in the morning-ish on this wick right here, this down candle. We gotten in on this candle here. We saw this really strong bullish move, so we expect it to continue up similar to what we had a month or 2 months ago here. However, this time it just continued to sell off. You might have also stopped out on the 25th. My broker didn't stop me out, although it came pretty much on the penny on a stop out value. So even if I had stopped out on 25th or today, either way, it would have been about a 10% loss. So right now our account is about 78% invested long. So we're just going to sit tight, and if we see any good entries on any good stocks, good setups, we'll get in. Otherwise, we're just going to wait for the market to consolidate and then continue its next bull run. So that concludes the trade report for October 9th, 2017.